Himachal closes educational institutions till November 25 due to increase in COVID cases. Stakeholders ask the Karnataka government to reopen schools. Goa government announces partial reopening of schools from November 21, 12 students allowed per class. Maharashtra government releases SOPs prior to reopening of schools. Only colleges may reopen after Diwali, not private schools in Chandigarh. New facility introduced in Bengaluru to help sharpen skills of school dropouts. Delhi government to put fee hike orders and private schools' financial details in public domain. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Himachal closes educational institutions till November 25 due to increase in COVID cases. The Himachal government on Tuesday decided to close all educational institutions that were reopened on 2nd of November. They will remain shut till 25th November as there has been a steep rise in COVID cases. About 125 government school teachers have so far tested positive, and there is also a high probability of the infection spreading among students and the community at large. Most stakeholders in the education sector, including parents of students facing board exams, want schools to reopen, as reported by the department officials on Tuesday. The Commissioner of Public Instruction submitted a report to the Principal Secretary of Primary and Secondary Education Department late on Monday. The department will consult with RTE Students' Parents Association on Wednesday, and their views will be added to the report. Goa government announces partial reopening of schools from November 21, 12 students allowed per class. The Goa government on Tuesday has decided to partially reopen schools from the 21st of November. A circular has been issued by the state government saying that schools will be reopened for students of classes 10 and 12 following all health protocols and SOPs put in place to curb the spread of the virus. The Maharashtra School Education Department on Tuesday released a set of standard operating procedures with regard to the reopening of schools in the state from November 23rd. Schools will reopen only for classes 9 to 12. According to the guidelines, students of classes 9 to 12 will attend school on alternate days to ensure a 50% attendance ratio. The city colleges in Chandigarh are more likely to reopen post Diwali. A proposal in this regard has been prepared by the UT Education Department and is being submitted for approval of the higher authorities, as told by the Director of Higher Education, Rubinder Jeet Singh Brar. The UT administration will ask all college heads to prepare their academic plans keeping in mind the guidelines issued by the University of Grants Commission. New facility introduced in Bengaluru to help sharpen skills of school dropouts. Focusing on high school and college dropouts, Boch India along with the Art of Living has launched a unique skilling facility. The facility will have an exclusive floor house Boch flagship skill development program called Bridge, and artisan training for carpentry will provide the youth with vocational business as well as soft life and business skills. Delhi government to put fee hike orders and private schools' financial details in public domain. In an attempt to bring in more transparency, the Delhi government's Directorate of Education has decided to make public all its orders accepting or rejecting the proposals of private schools to hike their fees on its official website, along with financial details, fee statements, salary expenses, savings, balance sheets and budget, as reported by officials. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.